So hi everyone, welcome back to Focus Educators. So as a part of our pseudocode plays series, here is our another question, which is asked in companies. So in this video, I'll explain you in detail each stepwise manner. Also, I'll show you in one real-time coding example for this pseudocode. So stay with us. Also, if you haven't checked our pseudocode playlist, then do check it out, where we have explained each and every question asked in companies. Test. Also, you can check out our interview preparation playlist, also logical programming playlist, where we have explained each and every question being asked in the MSc interviews with the real-time example, so you'll feel much more confident while giving your answers. Also, check out our job opportunities playlist if you haven't checked yet, where we upload daily job openings so that you can apply for them and you will. So yes, consider subscribing it our channel if you are new, and also share it to your friends so that they will also get help from it. So let us start our today's question. Here you can see we have to predict the output. There are the options, and first of all we have to give the input as A is 5 and B is also 5. Okay, so they have given one function where we are giving this input A and B for this function. So let us start solving it. So in first step, what we will do is we will assign 5 and 5 to this function. So in first step, function 5 comma 5. So first of all, we have to check like if 5 is less than 5, no, right? If it false, then we will go to the else if. Here it will check if b is not equal to 0. Is b not equal to 0? No, right? It is 5. So we have to return something like what we will return? A multiply by, what is the A value of A, which is 5, multiply by function of A. What is the value of A, which is 5, right? B minus 1. What is the value of B, which is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So again, in next step, what will be the values of the function? 5 comma 5 minus 4, 1, which is 4, correct? So in this case, again we have to check like if A is less than B. Here, what is the value of A? 5. What is the value of B? No, right? A is not less than B. Then we'll go to the next step, else if. Okay, again we have to check if B is not equal to 0. No, right? It is 4, correct? So it's true. Then we have to return a function. Okay, again what we have to return? What is the value of A? Here also a value of A is going to be 5. Then again we have to check function. What is the value of A? Which is 5. Again, B minus 1, right? Then 4 minus 1. Okay. So again we have to check in step 3. Function. What is the value of, okay, what is the value of what will check? What is the value of A? Is just 5. 4 minus 3, 3. Again, we have to check if it is A is less than B, no, correct? Then again, we have to check second condition. If B is not equal to 0, true, correct? It's not equal to 0, right? It's 3. Then again, what will return? We have to return again the A multiply by function and value of A is 5. Again, the value of B will become 2, correct? Again, once we return it in step 4, what is the value of A is 5. Okay. Then again, what is the value of B2 minus 1? Again we will check. Correct. So what is the value of A is 5. Then we have to return function. What value of A and 2 minus 1? 1. Correct. Is it again we have to check. Is it equal to 0? No, right? Then in step 5, Okay, so at fifth step, again, what we have to check, once it is written, till then it is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now, at step 5, what we will do is, uh, we have got 5 and 1. Okay, then we will check if 5 is less than the 1, sorry, 5 is less than 1, no. Right. Then what we will do is we have to check else if b is not equal to 0, yes, correct, it is 1, right? So it is true. Then it will again check function 5 comma 1. Okay, so again what we will do is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 and function 5 1 minus 1, so it became 2 0, correct? So at step 6, again we what we have got, function 5 comma 0. So at first, what we'll do check, we'll check A is less than B. No, right? Again, we will check, is B not equal to 0? No, right? It is equal to 0. So it will fail over here, right? Condition will fail over here. So I think there is one correction here. It should be 1, so that it will give us some results. Okay. So what is the output going to be over here? If we multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So the output is going to be 3125. Okay. So the output of this code is going to be 3125. Okay. So let me show you one quick coding example for this one. So here's the output. Here's the quick coding example. You can see, like, first of all, we are giving a checking if b is equal to 0. If yes, then it will return 1. And again, we are calling recursive function. If not, a into my function a comma b minus 1. Okay. So in main method, as we have given in the question, we have say given 5 and 5, a equal to 5, b equal to 5. We are assigning it to the function, and then we are printing the result. So let me show you what we will do here. You can see, right? The result is 3125. So that's it. I hope you have got the idea about it now. So if you haven't checked our other questions, then please do check out Pseudocode series. Also subscribe and share it with your friends so that they will also get help from it. Also check out our job opportunity playlist if you want to apply for the multiple companies where we upload daily job openings. So you will get latest updates from us. And thanks for watching.